Personal assistants like Cortana are an increasingly popular way for people to keep track of information and automate tasks and all that kind of thing. And these AI-powered assistants can learn about the things that we care about, and they can help simplify our daily lives. Now, you can connect a bot that you've published with the bot framework to Cortana as a skill, and that enables users to interact with your bot through the Cortana interface.
So here's the bot I created earlier that's connected to my Q&A service. And what I want to do is I want to use that in Cortana. So if I have a look at the channels for this bot, I can see it's connected to web chat, and that's running just now. But I can go ahead and I could add it to the Cortana channel. So if I go ahead and configure that, now actually I have already gone ahead. You can see down here there's an option to pick an organization. I've already gone ahead to this site here, which is the my.knowledge store website, where you can manage all of your back-end skills and services for Cortana. So I've already gone there and set myself up with an organization. And here I'm just going to simply register this bot with that organization. So we'll go ahead and register. And when the bot is registered, I can see there that we've got Cortana listed in that list of channels. And if I now go and have a look in my store portal here, and we'll just go ahead and refresh this page here. In my Graham Test organization, if I have a look in botlets here, you can see there's my Bad Jokes bot. So that's now been registered as part of this organization. And I can see all sorts of information here about that as a Cortana skill. So what I want to do is I want to go in and have a look at the publish setting here. Now it's already published to self, but I'm just going to edit some of the settings here. Some of the things that I can do, I can give it a name, so Bad Jokes is the name of the skill, and I give an invocation name, in other words, the phrase I'm going to use to tell Cortana that this is the service I want to interact with. So I'm just going to put a space in there and make it clear that that's two separate words, Bad Jokes, and we'll go ahead and we'll just publish that out ready to use. Now what that means is if I'm just using my computer as normal and I go to Cortana, I can now say things like, ask Bad Jokes why the chicken crossed the road. Cortana has a think about that, and then it recognizes that I'm trying to connect to this skill that's called Bad Jokes. And in order for it to connect, I need to give it some permission. So we'll say yes, share my information with that skill. That only happens the first time, and I get the right response to get to the other side. And I could then ask a different question of Bad Jokes. What's red and invisible? And I get my response, no tomatoes. So we've been able to take a bot that we've created and we've connected it to the Q&A service. So we've got a knowledge base of questions and answers. And then we're able to use Cortana as a channel to interact with that and to get information from that interactively by typing in questions or even by speaking.